Can I transfer my annuity for a life insurance policy? If you are considering canceling your annuity and buying a life insurance policy, you want to understand exactly what the considerations are before you do so. If you make a decision without the right information, you may end up paying surrender fees and taxes as a result of this decision. So it's smart to know up front what the different considerations are before you cancel your annuity policy and try to buy a life insurance contract. So hi, my name is Nathan Garcia. I'm a certified financial planner and retirement planning specialist. I help people answer questions like this before they enter into retirement so that they have more clarity and more confidence in their retirement income and their investment strategy. And so this is a question that comes up a lot because people may have an old annuity policy and they're more concerned about leaving money on to the next generation. And so if you find yourself in that type of situation, this video will be helpful for you. Of course, this isn't investment advice for you, and you should consult a professional before you take action on anything that you see in this video. This is just for educational purposes only. So the short and simple answer is that you could transfer a life insurance policy into a new life insurance policy using something called a 1035 exchange. But the IRS rules don't allow you to transfer the proceeds of an annuity into an insurance policy. And the reason being is that an annuity is typically a securities product. So it has an investment component to it, whereas an insurance policy is an insurance product and they have different regulations and different standards there. So if you're going to cancel your annuity, you have to surrender the contract itself, take the money from that contract, and then go out and buy the life insurance policy. Depending on how long you've owned the annuity and the annuity type, you could end up paying surrender fees for canceling the annuity early, or you could pay taxes based on any gains that you may have in the annuity. So before you cancel that annuity, I would typically look at the different riders that are set up on the annuity itself. Sometimes there will be a death benefit that is tied to the annuity. And this could serve to meet the same goal, and that there will be a sum of money provided if somebody passes away, but it could help you avoid the surrender penalties and maybe even delay some taxes there. The individual situation is really going to drive this decision here, but I just want to lay that as a common path that we would go down. The other consideration with this is why do you want the life insurance policy? If you're looking to, say, spend more in retirement and replenish your investable assets with a life insurance policy, then there may be other ways that you can get to that same goal using different methods. And so we want to explore all of these options, and the easiest way to do that is with a financial plan. Your financial plan is going to look at your income, investments, your insurance, which is a part of your estate plan, your Social Security, and your health care. And by looking at all of these different variables in one model, we can get a better understanding as to what your income looks like in retirement. Once we can determine what that income looks like, then we can also make a prediction as to what value will be left over after you die. If that value is sufficient and meets your goals, then you may not need a life policy. Whereas if that value is not enough, then we may look at a life policy, but we may want to combine it with some different features like long-term care protection. Nowadays, there are a lot of hybrid policies, life insurance policies, that can be used to tackle multiple concerns for individuals, for retirees. So before you purchase a life policy or cancel your annuity policy, make sure that you're looking at your financial plan and you're using that to determine if you should purchase a life policy and how much and which type. So I hope that you found this video helpful. It's not an easy topic to cover, especially in a YouTube video, but if you have any questions, please let me know.